विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्य छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः नमः चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। श्री श्री जगन्नाथ देवंकर पवित्र रथ यात्रा महोत्सव। Anybody to leave, all should sit and hear. If I speak attested Oriya, then English started, they all go. State, speaking English, not Oriya, they will go. Then started Oriya, then you will go. Nobody will go. All will stay. So I'll speak something in Oriya, then English, then something in Oriya, then English, then I want to keep you all. एकाबेले ओडिया कहबी ना एकाबेले इंग्लिश कहबी ना किसी ओडिया कहबी तापर इंग्लिश कहबी तापर ओडिया कहबी इंग्लिश कहबी समस्ते रहिबे के उठिक जिवे ना नाले एकाबेले ओडिया कह इंग्लिश कहले सब ओडिया वाला पळे जिवे कहले के हां इंग्लिश कहले ओडिया वाला पळे जिवे ओडिया कहले इंग्लिश वाला पळे जिवे ता कृष्णकर प्रीति विधान करे ना ये होची कृष्ण कथा अमृतमय कथा हां मधुर अत्यंत मधुर एकर माधुर्य अछि अमृत अच्छी एक आस्वादन करार कथा तेणु जे आस्वादन करे से लोभ हाँ संभाली पार ना अधिक 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 मिले बोले हाँ से लोभ वृद्धि करा पड़े पड़े कि से छाड़ी जी कि बाबा ताई हम ना। सो आई हैव टू से दैट जगन्नाथ इज कृष्ण कृष्ण इज जगन्नाथ एंड गौरांग महाप्रभु is also Jagannath Krishna. There is no difference between Krishna, Jagannath and Gauranga. All Krishna, Jagannath, same. So Mahaprabhu, who is Jagannath, who is Krishna himself, he has taught us what is the tattva behind Rathayatra, mystery behind Rathayatra. Who is Jagannath himself, who is Krishna himself, he has taught us for now. Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So we should understand it. What is the mysterious tattva behind Rathayatra? Jagannath himself taught in form of Gauranga. Otherwise, we cannot understand Jagannath. We cannot understand the purpose, the mysterious tattva behind Rathayatra. Only we will speculate and speculate and speculate. And so many speculations are going on, still going on. Great, great speculators are there. They are speculating and saying this thing. Yesterday there was Rathayatra, in famous, world famous Rathayatra in Purushottam Dham, Puri Dham. Lakhs of bhaktas, sajjanas, are assembled there. Already they have come to Puri from all parts of the world. You understand? And those who are propagating this might, they don't know this tattva. They are not bhaktas. They are speculators, great speculators. They are only speaking of their speculation, this and that, Jagannath is that, this and that. So many things. We know it, that they are not wise. Unless you are a devotee of Mahaprabhu, unless you come to the fold of Mahaprabhu, unless you accept a guru who is Gaura Priyajana, who is a dear devotee of Mahaprabhu, you cannot understand it. So, we will discuss this thing today, what Mahaprabhu has taught and spoken about Rathayatra. So, I am saying this thing that this is question of bhakti, Sudha Bhakti, pure devotion. One who has developed pure devotion, unalloyed devotion, Aikantika Bhakti, accepting a pure devotee of Krishna as Guru, dear devotee of Mahaprabhu as Guru, by his mercy, by hearing from him, he can understand this thing. Otherwise, nobody can understand this thing. I was saying that thing that Rupa Goswami has said, first thing is required Shraddha. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami says this thing. Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sango, Atho Bhajan Kriya. tato anartha nivritti, then comes nishtha. Then ruchi, asakti, bhava and prema. The nishtha stage is most important stage. And begins from Shraddha. Shraddha means unflinching faith, strong faith. Strong faith or unflinching faith in the words of Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. That is Shraddha. Shraddha sabde vishwasa kahi sudhura nishay Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hoy. Chaitanya Charitamrita says. Shraddha means unflinching faith, strong faith in Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. Words of Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. That is Shraddha. Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hoy. If you can develop Krishna bhakti, pure Krishna bhakti, all your duties, all your obligations, all your work finished, no more. No left out, nothing left out. That is Shraddha. This statement, these words. One who has developed unflinching faith in these words, he has developed Shraddha. Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hoy. If you develop Krishna bhakti, bhakti means pure bhakti, Shuddha bhakti, unalloyed devotion, all your so-called duties, obligations, finished, no more left out. That is Shraddha. So Rupa Goswami says this is known as Shastriya Shraddha. Two types of Shraddha are there, Shastriya Shraddha and Laukika Shraddha. Shastriya Shraddha means faith, strong faith in Shastra. Shastra Siddhanta, conclusions done in Shastra, Sadhu Shastra. That is Shastriya Shraddha. Laukika Shraddha, so-called Shraddha, putting faith in the materialistic persons and the material scientists say all these things. That is Laukika Shraddha. We discard. That is discarded, condemned. One should develop Shastra Shraddha. Then come Shraddha, then Sadhu Sangha, then Bhajan Kriya, then Anartha Nivritti. Adu Shraddha, tato Sadhu Sangha, tato Bhajan Kriya, then Anartha Nivritti. Shraddha lobi jiva kore Sadguru vichar. When you develop this Shastra Shraddha, unflinching faith in the words of Sadhu, Shastra, Guru, then you associate with Sadhu. You listen what Sadhu says, bona fide Sadhu says, and you put complete faith, unflinching faith in his words. Sadhu speaks about this tattva, discourses, tattva vichar, Isha tattva, jiva tattva, bhakti tattva, guru tattva, all these tattvas. Then you understand who am I? I am Krishna Das. Krishna is the Supreme Personality Godhead. Krishna is my eternal master. I am his eternal servant. And I have this eternal, perfect, eternal, loving relationship with Krishna. Then he understands. The hearing from bona fide sadhu, putting complete faith and surrendering unto him, then he can understand. Then Sadhalobi Jiva Kore Sadguru Vichar. Then he understands who is Sadguru, who is bona fide Guru. Because by hearing he can understand this Guru Tattva. Then he accepts, takes shelter at the lotus feet of such Guru. Shraddhalobi Jiva Kore Sadguru Vichar. Without Shraddha, one cannot accept. Guru Padasra cannot take shelter of Guru. Asra Loya Bhode Tate Krishna Nai Tyoje. Taking shelter of the lotus feet of bona fide Guru, dear devotee of Krishna, pure devotee of Krishna, then do bhajan. Otherwise, one cannot do bhajan. Without taking shelter at the lotus feet of Guru, those who are doing so-called bhajan, they say, yes, we are doing bhajan. They are very proud fellows, puffed up fellows. Pride is demoniac mentality. That is demons, characteristic of a demon. That's not characteristic of a bhakta, devotee. Devotee, naturally, very humble. Trunadapi sunichina. As much humbler than a blade of grass lie on the street. You understand? That is Vaishnava. The characteristic of a Vaishnava, symptom of a Vaishnava, bhakta. Pride is the characteristic of a demon. Those who don't accept Guru Padasra, don't take shelter at the lotus feet of Guru and say, we are doing bhajan, they are demons. In other words, they are very proud. They don't want to surrender. They are not actually doing bhajan. They are not giving pleasure to Krishna, who is the object of bhajan. One should understand it. Astralaya bhaje tate Krishna nahi teje. Arsava more okaran. Sri Narottam Das Thakur says like that. Taking shelter of bona fide Guru, Vaishnava, one does bhajan, Krishna accepts him. Krishna is pleased, Krishna will never desert him. Otherwise, Krishna is never pleased. That was it. So, when you speak about treaty, love, Krishna is the only object of love. Lord Jagannath is the only object of love. No other. That is Nashtikada. That's Nishtha. After Anartha Nivriti, that stage comes Nishtha. Stage. When one does bhajan under the guidance of bona fide Guru, then Anartha Nivriti. All these anarthas, 4 types of anarthas are there. Asatrusna, Hridayadra, Bolya, Visamaya, Varab, Tattva Brahma, you know it. So these anarthas are completely destroyed. Then it is elevated to the stage of Nishtha. Nishtha hoite upujoy primir toranga. This is beginning. Just beginning of Priti. Beginning of Priti. That is Nishtha stage. Unless one has achieved Nishtha stage, he has not begun Priti. No love at all. It's beginning. And example is this Priti Tattva. One who has developed Nishtha, he has developed Priti. And that is beginning. Hanumanji is example. Hanumanji, dear devotee of Lord Ram, Dasya Bhakta. Example of Dasya Bhakti is Hanumanji. So Hanumanji has said that Hanumanji had opened his heart and soul. Nobody is there, only Sita Ram is there in the heart. He knows he's a great sadhu. Hanumanji is a great sadhu. Still now he is there to teach Dasya Bhakti. Lord Ram left him here. You stay here, teach Dasya Bhakti. You understand? He knows great sadhu. Constantly chanting Ram Nam. Constantly attached to lotus feet of Lord Ram. Do you understand? He is sadhu. He knows tattva. Sadhu knows tattva. He knows, I know, Srinathi Janakinathi Avheda Paramatmani Tathapi Mama Jivana Sarvasva Rama Kamala Lochana. I know there is no difference between Srinath and Janakinath. There is no difference between Krishna and Ram. I know it. Do you understand? Avheda Paramatmani, Paramatma, no difference. But my heart and soul is lotus idol Ram, not Krishna. I know there is no difference, but my heart and soul is lotus idol Ram. That is Aikantikata. This is annulled devotion. This is pinpointed, one-pointed, not multi-pointed. This is annulled devotion. This is Naistikimati. This is Nishtha stage. Do you understand me? This is Nishtha stage. Particular form of the Lord, he has developed attraction and love. That is Nishtha. Hanumanji, and then damsels of Brajabhumi, gopis, they have developed their love and attraction only for Kishore Krishna. Brajendra Nandan Krishna, Brajesha Krishna, son of Nanda Maharaj, son of Jasoda Mata in Brajabhumi, 10, 11-year-old Krishna, a cowherd boy, all beautiful. Do you understand? That's a Kishore Krishna. It's 10, 11-year-old, 11, 12-year-old Krishna, a cowherd boy, son of Nanda Maharaj, son of Jasoda Mata. And that form of Krishna, all beautiful form, that Kishore Krishna. They have developed, the damsels, brothers, gopis, headed by Radharani, they have developed their only attraction and love for that form of Krishna, not Mathuresa Krishna or Dwarakesa Krishna. Do you understand? Can you understand? Not Krishna in Dwaraka or Krishna in Mathura. That form of Krishna, no. They have not developed attraction and love for Krishna in Dwaraka or Krishna in Mathura. No, Krishna in Brajabhumi, Krishna in Gokul. 10, 11, 12-year-old Krishna. Brajesha Tanaya Krishna. That is son of Nanda Maharaj. Jasodamata, Kishore Krishna, that form of Krishna. That is Nishtha. That is Priti. Only attraction. This unalloyed devotion, Aikantik Bhakti, is pinpointed, one-pointed, not multi-pointed. You understand? That is what we say. Well, once Krishna manifested his 400 Narayan forming one of the kunjas. Gopis were searching. Where Krishna? Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? One of the kunjas, they saw 400 Narayan. Oh, Narayan, Dandavat, chalo. We don't want Narayan, we want that. 200. Gopa, cowherd boy, Kishore Krishna, all beautiful. We don't want Narayan. You understand? This is Nishtha. Do you follow me? This is unalloyed devotion. Aikantikata. And one should develop this thing only by accepting a guru, initiated by a guru. And yes, I am following for regulative principles, chanting 16 rounds, taking Krishna Prasad. Yes, I am in the temple, I am engaged in temple service. You may be doing that. But unless you develop unalloyed devotion, to a particular form to whom you are attracted, Krishna will show you that form. This Aikantikata, Nishtha, you cannot please Krishna. Because it's personal relationship. It's personal, it's not impersonal. And the relationship is loving relationship. Eternal, perfect, eternal, loving relationship we have. Otherwise you cannot develop relations. Do you understand? And then Lord Krishna will never be pleased with you because you have no love. You have not attained that stage. It's the beginning, just beginning. Unless you attain, that is no question of love at all. So, one who has attained, the symptom is very simple. Simplicity is Vaishnavism. No duplicity, no crookedness. As simple as a child. Is very firm. He has unflinching faith, strong faith, unshakable, never second any circumstances, and unalloyed devotion. This is, and he is impartial. He is impartial. I have only attraction to these, so I am impartial to other forms. You understand my point? This is what. And Mahaprabhu has taught this thing. Then I'll speak something in Oriya. Then in English. Amoro moniro nisoyo sogiye Kiva anurago kore Kiva dukho diya mare Moro prane soro Krishna anya no Moro prane soro Krishna chari anya nari gana Moro boso tanu mana chari Moro saubhagyo koriya prakoto Moro saubhagyo prakoto koriya Moro taso Sei nari goni dekhaiya Sei nari goni কিবা দেহ লম্পট ষঠ দৃষ্ট সকপট কিবা অন্য নারী গণ করি সাথ অন্য নারী মোরে দিতে মন পীড়া মোর আগে করে ক্রীড়া মোরে তবু দেহ মোর প্রাণনাথ তবু দেহ মোর প্রাণনাথ নাগণিয়া পন দুঃখ সবে বাঞ্ছি তার সুখ নাগ পন দুঃখ তার সুখ আমারও তাৎপর্য তার সুখ আমারও তাৎপর্য মোরে যদি দিয়া দুঃখ তার হইল মহাসুখ মোরে সেই দুঃখ মোর সুখ বর্জ সেই দুঃখ ଇଏ ହଉଛି ତାତ୍ପର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଇଏ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରୀତି ତତ୍ତ୍ୱର କଥା ଇଏ ହଉଛି ଗାଢ଼ ପ୍ରୀତି ତତ୍ତ୍ୱର କଥା ଏକୁ ନ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ନିରପେକ୍ଷ ଭାବ ଆସିବ ନା Radharani says, this is last verse of Sikhyastaka. Asrisya padratam pinastma darsanath marmahataṁ karotu va yatha tatha va vidadhatulam pato mat prananathastu sayevanapara. Radharani says, আমি কৃষ্ণ পাদদাসী I am a maid servant, completely surrendered at the lotus feet of Krishna, offering loving service. রস সুখ রাশি কৃষ্ণ is Sachidananda, is the source of all ananda, all pleasure. Do you understand? Mellows. Alingya kare atmasat, he may do as he likes. He may embrace me or he may kick me with his feet as he likes. Kivanande darshan, or may not give me darshan and put me in such pangs of separation like burning fire, blazing fire, unbearable heat, the pangs of separation, unbearable heat. Do you understand? Still, he is the possible deity of my heart. Prananath. Still he is my Prananath. Sakhiye sunamor moner nishchay. Radharani says to her very intimate Sakhis, girl companions like Visakha, Lalita, Visakha. Kiva anuraga kore, kiva dukho diya mare. More Praneshwara Krishna anya noy. That Krishna is my Lord of my heart. Krishna is the Lord of my heart. Nobody else. He may embrace me or he may kick me. Giving me darshan, he may make me happy, or not giving me, without giving darshan, make me distressed. Whatever he may like, may do. That Krishna is my Lord of the heart, nobody else. ছাড়ি অন্য নারীগণ মোর অবশ্য তনুমান মোর সৌভাগ্য করিয়া প্রকট করিয়া তা সবারে দেও পীড়া আমা মনে করে গিড়া সেই নারীগণ দেখাইয়া Two groups are there. Groups of Radharani, groups of Chandravali. Radha and Chandravali, two chiefs. Do you understand? Opposing group. Chandravali is the opposing group of Radharani. Radharani is leftist, left wing, Chandravali is right wing. Do you understand? Left wing, right wing, two opposites. Do you understand? This tattva. Sometimes Krishna goes to Chandravali quarters, Chandravali's group. He doesn't give darshan to Radharani. Do you understand? Leaves Radharani's group and goes there. Radharani says that thing. Kivate ho lampata sada drushta sagapata anya nari gana kari satho. More dite manapida, more age kari kida. Tabu te ho mor prana. Thereby he gives me such distress, not coming to me, into our camp. Do you understand? Goes to other camp, opposite camp, Chandravali's camp. That devotee, that crooked person, three places crooked, khapati, drusto, devotee, lampoto, he does. On our presence, on my presence, is associating with those women. Do you understand? Why giving so much unbearable pain in my heart? Do you understand? Still, he is the Lord of my heart. He is the Lord of my heart, nobody else. Do you follow? This is priti. This is another devotion. This is pure love. Priti. Do you understand me? There is no partiality. Nagani apana dukho sabe banche tar sukha. Tar sukha amar tattva. We don't want. Radharani said, we don't want. I don't want my pleasure and happiness. I solely want his pleasure and happiness. If it pleases him to go to that camp and enjoy them, then that is my highest pleasure. You understand me? You understand me?
She sometimes becomes angry for that.
That anger is loving. Is loving anger. You understand? That is sulkiness. That's not anger, that's sulkiness of Hima. You understand? And that is base is love. Is love. It's based on love. Do you understand? Yes. Based on love. Nagani apana dukkha sabe vanche tar sukha. I don't care for my suffering and distress. I want only his happiness and pleasure. If he gets pleasure there, in that camp, in Chandravali's camp, yes. And not our camp, right? You understand? Or with me, he leaves me and goes to Chandravali. And if he is happy, and he gives me thereby distress, very painful. It is very painful. You understand? Still, he is my Lord of the heart. Nobody else. Because we want his happiness, his pleasure, nothing for us. Ours. Do you understand? More diya dukho tar hoy jodi sukho, sei dukho more sukha varjya. Putting me in such painful situation, giving me in such distress, if he gets pleasure, that distress is my highest pleasure. That's my highest pleasure. Do you understand? Radharani said, this is priti. This is love, true love. This is true love. And such a thing. You stated here. This is priti tattva. And Mahaprabhu has taught this thing in relation to this Ratha Yatra. He has taught us that thing. Do you understand? Based on this. I'll speak it. I'll speak something. Oh yeah. Up to this point. This word Ratha, you understand? Ratha Yatra, the word Ratha. You say chariot or car, whatever name. But I will speak Ratha. No other word I will speak. You understand? This word Ratha is very old. It is not new word. Do you understand? In Veda, it is mentioned. Upper portion, topmost portion of Veda is known as Upanishada. In Kathopanishada, we see mantra. In that mantra, this word is used. Atmanam rathinam viddhi, sariram ratham cha. Buddhi tum sarthi viddhi, manah pragram cha. Indriyani haya nahu visayan stesu gosaran. Atmendriya manajuktam bhakti tyahur manishu, etc. You understand that? He said this body is Ratha. You understand? Understand? And Atma, soul, is Rathi. Huh? No. Who is sitting on Ratha? Person. Who is the owner of the Ratha. Do you follow me? Rathi. Huh? As in battlefield of Kurukshetra, Rathi is Arjuna, isn't it? Krishna is the Sarathi, chariot driver, isn't it? But Rathi is Arjuna. Under the direction of Rathi, the Sarathi drives. Go there, take me, this there, isn't it? Do you follow? So this body is Ratha. This Katha mantra says, soul is the Rathi. Understood? Huh? And chariot here, I must say, driver of chariot. Sarathi is buddhi, intelligence. You understand? And mind is the rope attached to the horses, pragraha. Reins, yes. That was a pragraha, reins, or rope attached to the horses of the chariot. You understand? Indriyani haya, and the senses are the horses. You understand? This body is the chariot, soul is the rathi, and intelligence is the, what is it, sarathi, chariot, driver of the chariot, sarathi, isn't it? And types, these all senses are the horses, and mind is the rein. This is there. Understood? So it's very old word. It's a new word, Ratha. We find it in Veda, in Upanishads. Then, also in Vedas mentioned that Lord Vishnu has Ratha, chariot, and Surjadeva has Ratha also, chariot. Isn't it? Yes. Then the history of this Ratha Yatra. History, I'll speak. In 3rd century AD, you understand? 3rd century AD, in Dravida Desh, in South India, southernmost part, Dravida Desh, there was a king named Pandya Vijaya or Pandu Vijaya. You understand? And this name of his kingdom is Pandya. Pandya, southernmost part of southern India. There. He was very powerful. And he had a devotee priest, Vaishnava, Vishnu Bhakta, devotee of Lord Vishnu. His name was Deveswara. Do you understand? And his priest as well as his minister. Do you understand? So, under his instruction, guidance, this Pandya Vijay established Sanatana Dharma, re-established. So, sometime, this Buddhist, they took away these deities of Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. Do you understand? From Jagannath temple. Buddhists. Do you follow me? Buddhists. Buddhists are atheists. They don't accept Vedas. But this Pandya Vijay, King Pandya Vijay, rescued them. Do you understand? From their clutches. And made chariot and placed them on the chariot and did Ratha Yatra. He performed Ratha Yatra with the first Ratha Yatra. Do you understand me? This history. And he put it in Sundarachal, that is known as Gundicha Mandir. Put it there. Rescuing these three deities from the clutches of Buddhists. Do you understand? When Bodhisattva became powerless, then he again putting these three deities, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, and three chariots. Then he did Ratha Yatra and brought them to Nilachal. Nilachal. Do you understand? The mandir, the Puri temple, we say Nilachal, is built on a hill named Nila Parvata, blue hill. Achala means hill. Nilachala means blue hill. So it's in Nilachala. Gunita Mandir is said Sundarachala. Do you follow? Nilachala, Sundarachala. Blue hill and red hill. That mandir you see is red. Isn't it? Have you seen? Gundicha is red. It's red hill. And this is blue hill. Nilachala, Sundarachala. Alright? So Pandavijaya, that King Pandavijaya did it. So this is the history of Ratha Yatra. Begins from that. Therefore, now still up to date, when we do take Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra to Ratha, that ceremony or performance we say Pandu Vijay. The name is Pandu Vijay or Pahandi Vijay. Do you follow? According to the name of that king, Panda Vijay. That name is kept up. It's Pahandi Vijay. We say Pahandi Vijay. With Sankirtan, with taking this place, and take Jagannath to the Ratha. Then that we did. In Puri also they did. It is known as Pahandi Vijay or Pandu Vijay. That's for the name of that king, Pandu Vijay or Pandu Vijay. So it is said. Alright. Then this Deveshwara, the Vaishnava, Purohita, priest and minister of Pandu Vijay, he had a son. His name was Devatanu. He was a devotee also. He took up Tridanda Sannyas, Devatanu, and he became first Vishnu Swami, Acharya of Rudra Sampradaya. You understand? He's first Vishnu Swami, Acharya of Rudra Sampradaya, and he introduced this 108 names of sannyas. You understand? Astottara Sata, Nami Sannyasi. 108 names of sannyas. You understand? There are 108 names of sannyas. Astottara Sata Nami, Nani sannyas. He introduced. That you are thinking yourself very great. What is your mentality, the attitude of humbleness, Tunadapi Sunicca Bhav? As humble as a blade of grass lying on the street. That means you are developing pride, demoniac attitude. Pride, isn't it? So, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said, in Sajjan Tosani, one should not imitate such things. They are very powerful personalities. One should not imitate them. We are very low, lowest of the low. Stunadapi Sunicca, Mahaprabhu has taught us this thing. Mahaprabhu has never chewed pan. Why did you do? Though he is Jagannath himself, he never chewed. Why you do? Because he was teaching us. He was teaching us. Jagadananda Pandit brought a big pot of chandana thylas, very scented sandalwood oil. He never touched it. You understand? He brought with love, affection, that this oil will be massaged on his head. The brain will be cool. Because Mahaprabhu was sometimes becoming faint, he fainted. While chanting, dancing, fainted. So he had reels, let it be cool. He brought it, but Mahaprabhu didn't touch it. Oh, tell Jagadananda, give it to the storage of Lord Jagannath. This will be burned in the lamp of Jagannath. Why didn't do it? Because if I do, then all will do something more. Oh, Mahaprabhu has done this thing. I will do this thing. Mahaprabhu has chewed pan. Mahaprabhu has put scented oil. Now there's so many scented oils, Paris saints, so many saints on us. Sannyasi will do like that. Then we'll drink liquor. Yes, we'll become Indra now. Why not? Mahaprabhu has done so. Mahaprabhu was so strict. No, because he's teacher. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur say, don't imitate a powerful person. Don't imitate a powerful person. You understand? Just follow the footprints of Mahajanas. Now the speculation is a speculation going on. So why didn't the founder Acharya of ISKCON give this one of the names of 108 names of sannyasi when he was awarding sannyas to anybody? He followed completely Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took up sannyas. He didn't accept any sannyas name. He kept up his brahmachari name, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, nothing else. Isn't it? Though he's sannyasi. He didn't accept. Those names were there. You understand? Those names were there. 108 names. Yes, of Bharati. Bharati is one of the 108 names of sannyasi. Giri, Puri, Bharati. Yes. He took sannyas from case of Bharati. This Mahabharata is, they have only 10 names. Out of 108, they have given 10 names only. All their sannyas names come within 10 names. Giri, Puri, Bharati, Saraswati, like this. Tirtha, all this. Only 10 names. But our Vaishnava sannyas names, 108 names. Therefore we say Astotara Sata. Astotara Sata means 108. Astotara Satanami sannyasi. You understand? So, as Mahaprabhu didn't accept any sannyas name, he kept up his brahmachari name. My revered spiritual master followed his path. He kept up our brahmachari name, only added Swami. Yes. You understand? That he followed. Understood me? And this Gaudiya's Vaishnavas, sannyas, they criticize us. We give this answer to them. Yes, it's completely followed Mahaprabhu's path. So this Devatanu, his first Vishnu Swami, he introduced this Tridanda Sannyas and 108 names. All right. Then Korea. Vishwapurana, it is mentioned that in Satya Yuga, you understand, many thousands years before this Buddha Dev's appearance, Prahlad first made a Ratha Yatra putting Mahavishnu on Ratha. You understand? Prahlad. Yes. Then after that, the demigods, Siddhas, Gandharvas, they also performed Ratha Yatra after Prahlad. Very old, ancient days. It's also sometimes we hear that in month of Kartik, that means October, November, Kartik, this Ratha Yatra was performed. But according to Skanda Purana, the Ratha Yatra takes place this day, the day we perform. The day it is performed in Jagannath Puri, that's the month of Asadha, and Tithi is Shukla Ditiya, second day of bright fortnight. You understand me? In the month of Asadha, in July, August. Asadha. Sanskrit name is Asadha. English, July, August. It falls within this. July, August. Do you understand? And Tithi is Sukla Ditya. That means second day of bright fortnight. That is the day mentioned in Skanda Purana for Rathayatra. We follow. So it is performed. And Nakshatra is Pushya Nakshatra. Tithi, Nakshatra means stars. Is Pushya Nakshatra. Name of the star is Pushya. Name of Tithi is Sukla Ditya. Is second day of bright fortnight. That is mentioned in Skanda Purana. This is the day for Rathayatra. Mentioned. And it's performed. In Puri, we perform on that day. Throughout Orissa, it is performed on that day. They follow. Not other. If you do it another day, you will be vehemently criticized. Yes. You will be vehemently criticized. Why you are doing this thing? It is not according to Shastra. You understand? We do. Many places in Orissa. Yesterday, many places. Yes. In Bhubaneswar also, some other also there. Number 8 unit there is Rathayatra. We perform. Yes. In Dhenkanal, in Keonjhar, in Baripada, Kendrapada, and also Talcher, Atgar, many places you'll find. Yes. Rathayatra. Sunday. In Orissa. Because Jagannath is there, temples are there. You understand? Yes. And that is according to Shastra, is on this day. Mentioned. But my Guru Maharaj made division. Any day you can do Rathayatra. You understand? And it is going on in ISKCON. Any day. You want to do some Mahotsav, Jatra, do Rathayatra and make festival, all right. Chant, dance, be happy, merry, and take Krishna Prasad, Jagannath Prasad, be merry, happy. Any day you can. Why he did so? That's another deviation. And people ask it. Yes, why you are doing such thing? And we have reasons for it. I'll tell you. You understand? I'll tell you. Then when Mahaprabhu said, and what is the mystery, what is the tattva behind this Rathayatra, and our Rathayatra based on that tattva. So he did it. Why there is no Rathayatra in Vrindavan? Vrindavan, no Rathayatra. No. Other places there is Rathayatra, but in Vrindavan, no Rathayatra. Why? Jagannath is Krishna. Yes. Why there is no Rathayatra in Vrindavan? We may install Jagannath and do Rathayatra, but nobody installs Jagannath there and nobody does Rathayatra. Why? The reason is there. I'll speak. That Mahaprabhu has taught us. All right, then what do I say? That day we discussed, isn't it? Day before Rathayatra. It's Gundicha Marjan Leela. That day we discussed what is mystery behind it, what tattva behind it. Because one has to make the Lord, his beloved Lord, seated on his Hruday Singhasan, the Singhasan that is in the heart. Then this will worry. Completely cleansed up all darts, all filth. Even a speck of dust will not be there. Even a spot will not be there. You understand? That we discussed. That is the tattva of Gundicha Marjan Leela. Mahaprabhu has performed it, and thereby he has taught us this thing. And what are the filth? Accumulated in this heart. That is desire for material enjoyment, desire for liberation. Do you understand? desire for name, fame, prestige, adoration. Do you understand? Duplicity, kapatyo, enviousness, all these are filth accumulated in the heart. Unless all these filths are completely cleansed off, even a speck of dust will not be there, even a spot will not be there, then your beloved Lord Krishna will be seated there. Otherwise, no. That is Gundicha Madhya Lila Rahasya. All right? That we have already discussed it. And this just day before also it is confirmed. Then, then what Mahaprabhu said. Sriman Mahaprabhu, when he was here taking a sannyas, you understand, 500 years ago, continuously for 18 years he stayed in Jagannath Puri Dham. That room is there, Gundicha. I will say, I want to say, Gambhira, you understand? Small room, Kasi Mistra's house. And Rasatra Day, Mahaprabhu was there with his devotees. Does Sankirtan, dances, you understand? Then he sings all these things. Mahaprabhu has said that once on this eclipse day, Surya Paraga, lunar eclipse, the Jadavas, you understand? You don't see Jadavas? Descendants of Jadu dynasty, Jadavas, had gone to Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is a Dharma Kshetra, Punya Kshetra, holy place. General etiquette, this is on eclipse days one should go to a holy place, have a dip there. You understand? So they had gone there. Jadus, Jadavas, Krishna had gone. Krishna, Balaram. They had gone in chariot because Krishna was king at that time in Dwarka. You understand? So riding chariot, they had gone there. And at the same time also, the gopis, the cowherd men and cowherd women, themselves of Brajbhumi, men and women, they had also come there. Strange coincidence, they met Krishna there. You understand? Krishna had gone to living Brajbhumi, Akrura came, you understand? Took Krishna Balaram to Mathura, you understand? Making them seated on a chariot, Akrura came with the chariot and took Krishna Balaram to Mathura. At that time, this cowherd men and themselves of Brajbhumi, cowherd women, gopas and gopis, do you understand? They felt so much distressed, so much pain in their heart, anticipating this separation from Krishna. Do you understand? Even the gopis rolled on the ground. Do you understand? Just rolled on in front of the chariot and said, let the chariot, the wheel of the chariots run on us and let us die. We cannot survive without Krishna. We cannot survive without Krishna. So painful, you understand, the separation from Krishna. So they slept, you understand, rolled on the ground in front of the chariot. Didn't allow chariot to move, you see. Then Krishna consoled them. Don't be aggrieved, don't be so distressed. I'll very soon come back finishing my work there. Do you understand? Console them. Oh gopis, oh gopas, don't feel so disheartened, don't feel so distressed. Very soon I'll come back here, finishing my work there. I have some work there, I'm going there. I'll finish that work, I'll come back. Please, stay here. It's just console them. So they had kept up that in their mind, yes, Krishna will come back. He has given us that words. With that hope they are surviving. Only that words, that hope they are surviving. Still Krishna is not coming. You understand? Krishna is not coming. Waiting, Krishna is not coming. Krishna is not coming. Huh? Feeling so much pangs of separation from Krishna. That separation, that is so severe heat. You understand? That burns them. They feel so much pain in their heart. You understand? They have given up everything. Eating and sleeping. They have become skinny. Very skinny. You understand? Nice description is there. Rupa Goswami has given in Ansadutta, in the Siddhava Sandesh, all these things mentioned there. I'm not going to tell all these things. Because Gopa and Gopis, they are feeling so much acute pain of pangs of separation from Krishna. So they had gone there to Kurukshetra. And by chance they met. Yes, Krishna had come. Huh? With the Jadavas. Huh? When they saw Krishna in such a royal dress, Krishna is king now. He's king in Orissa. I will say Dwarka. He's king of Dwarka. Isn't it? In a royal dress. Opulence is there. Do you follow? Huh? He is no longer Shyam Sundar now. You understand? He is in opulence. Royal dress. They then said, no, we don't want this. We don't want to see you in this attire of a king, a royal attire dress. We want to see you in that cowherd boy form, the very simple form with the flute in hand. No more flute is there in Dwarka. No, is king there. Had he flute there? No, no flute. We want cowherd boy form, 10, 12-year-old Kishore Krishna in Brajbhumi. You understand? Very simple. This flute is there, peacock feather, flute, and this singa, you understand? Singa, a horn instrument, you understand? And cowherd boys surrounded Jamuna river, Beta Sakunja, that grove, jungle of Vrindavan, playing so nice, sweet. We want to see you in that form, not in the royal attire. Please come, please come. They dragged that chariot. Do you understand? And took him to Vrindavan. It's always, Jamuna river is there, all kunjas are there, groups are there, Kadamba Kanan is there, Kadamba tree. Have you seen Kadamba tree we have here? Kadamba tree. Have you not seen Kadamba tree? There. Kadamba flower is like balls erected. This time will come up in this rainy season and is very fond of, Krishna is very fond of that flower. And he plays. He sits on a branch of a Kadamba tree and plays on his flute, so sweet singing. Do you understand? Well, wow. When he was stealing the garments of gopis, taking bath in Jamuna, they are sitting on a Kadamba tree and playing flutes and taking out the garments. Yes, Kadamba Kanan. Kadamba Kanan is there. Jamuna river is there. All groups, kunjas are there. Those trees are there. Peacock is there. Cows are there. Calves are there. We are there. Cowherd boys are there. We dancers of Brahmani are there. Our men are there. But you are not there. You left us. You understand? You said you will come back, but you are not coming. You are feeling so much acute pain in your heart. Feeling pangs of separation from you. We don't want to see you in this. Come, come. They dragged that chariot and took there. This is Rathayatra. From Nilachala to Sundarachala. You understand? Mahaprabhu has expressed this thing. Nilachala is Kurukshetra, the original temple of Jagannath. Nilachala, Blue Hill. Kurukshetra, Sundarachala, the red hill. Gundicha Mandir is Vrindavan. The gopis dragged. Gopis dragged. This is Ratha Yatra. From Nilachala to Sundarachala. Do you follow? While Mahaprabhu was dragging Ratha, he was singing this thing. Chaitya Parana Thopainu, Jahan Lagi Mardana Dahane Zhuri. Now we have gotten the Lord of our beloved of our heart. Feeling the pangs of separation from whom we are burning in that heat. And we are tortured by the Cupid. Do you follow me? Madan Cupid, shooting the arrows, and we are tortured. Now we have gotten. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu sang this thing. This Saita Parana Thapaino, Jahan Lagi Matana Dahane. I said all these things, all these things are there. We don't want to see you in this royal dress, attire, your Gopavesa, your cowherd boy form, so beautiful, nice, Syam Sundar form, Tribhangi Mathani, 3 places crooked, all these things, it's not now here, it's not, Mahaprabhu had expressed this thing in that mood, Mahaprabhu singing this song, and dragged Ratha of Jagannath's chariot to Sundarachala, Vrindavan. Do you understand? And also quoted this verse from 10th canto. Ahustate narina navo padarabindam Jogeshwari hrudi vichintyam agada bodhi sansara kupapatito tarana balambam yaham jasangmapi manasyo diyat sadana. Quoted this verse, Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 10:82-48 verse. 10:82-48. We'll refer to. That means the gopis, these are the gopis' prayer in 10:82, 48 verse. He Nalina Nabha, Krishna, and whose navel there is a lotus with its tail. That is Nalina Nabha. Do you understand me? Nalina means lotus, Nabha means navel. Do you follow? Nalina Nabha Krishna, your 2 lotus feet is unlimited. Agada Bodha, nobody can fathom it. Do you follow? All the Yogeshwaras headed by Brahma always meditate your such lotus feet, which is so unlimited. Do you understand? And that is the only place of shelter for one and all. Do you understand me? All the jivas, those who are fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. Understood? Your lotus feet is only shelter. And we, Grosevini, we are housewives. Do you understand? Gopis say, we are housewives. We are in that they were thinking themselves are conditioned souls, falling in a deep, dark well. Do you understand? Dreadful ocean, materialistic existence. And your lotus feet is only shelter. Please come. Do you understand? Please come and give us shelter at your lotus feet. Do you understand? This is the meaning of this verse. Mahaprabhu quoted this verse, uttered this verse when dragging Jagannath's Ratha. Do you follow? Then Mahaprabhu sang this song. Annera hudaya mana mara mana vrindavana mane mane eko kari jani. Taha tomar padadaya kaha jadi udaya tobe tomar purna krupa mani. His meaning is that the others, those who are not devotees of Krishna, those who have not taken shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna, their heart and their mind, do you understand, is not Vrindavan. Because Krishna is not seated there. Heart of Krishna is not there. That's something different, heart and mind. But our heart and mind is Vrindavan. Because we are thinking of you always. Do you understand? There is no difference between Vrindavan and our mind, our heart. And this is the place for you to sit. তাহা তোমার পদদ্বয় করাও যদি উদয়, তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি। Do you understand? So our heart, which is like Vrindavan, is bereft of you. Because you have gone to Mathura, now you have king in Dwarka. Do you understand? So, our heart and mind is like Vrindavan, but now you are not there. Our heart and mind is bereft of you. Please come to that Vrindavan. Do you understand? And if you be kind enough to make your lotus feet appear there in our heart and mind, which is like Vrindavan, then we can think or accept that you are really merciful. Do you understand? Wonderfully merciful. Do you understand? Understood? তোমার যে অন্য বেশ অন্য সঙ্গ অন্য দেশ ব্রজনের করু নাই ভাই, ব্রজভূমি ছাড়তে না রে তোমা না দেখিলে মরে, ব্রজনের কি হবে উপায়? I said that thing. This, we don't want to see you in such dress, some royal attire, royal dress. Do you understand? Only we want to see you in the cowherd boy, in dress of a cowherd boy. Do you understand? We go Gopavesh. We the Brajajanas, we the residents of Brajabhumi don't want to see you in other form or any other dress. Only we want to see in this form and this dress, because this is Aikantikada, one-pointedness. I first told you. Do you understand? This Kishore Krishna Vesha. Understood? Yes. We Brajavasis, we the residents of Brajabhumi don't want any other form of you to look at or see you dressed in any other dress. Only this dress. Brajabhumi chhadte na re toma na dekhile mare. Brajabhumi ki hobo upay? We cannot leave Brajabhumi. We cannot go to Dwarka. Do you understand me? Huh? We cannot leave Brajabhumi. We cannot go to Dwarka. And if we cannot see you, have you? We are dying. We are dying. We are dying. Do you understand? Please come and make us alive. Survive. Please come, dragging. Make us live and survive. Do you follow? Huh? If you want to come, what will be our fate? We are dying of you. Huh? তুমি ব্রজের জীবন, ব্রজ রাজের প্রাণধন, তুমি সকল ব্রজের সম্পদ। You are the life and soul of Brajabhumi, the Brajavasis. You are the Pranadhan, the life and soul of Brajaraj, the king of Braja, the Nanda Maharaj. You are all asset and wealth of Brajabhumi only. Isn't it? Please come, drag. You understand? The dragging and saying this thing. Krupardra tomar mano asi jao Brajajana, Braje korao, udoy kora nijapad. You are so merciful, wonderfully merciful, O Krishna. Nalina Nava Krishna. Please come to Brajabhumi. Please come to Vrindavan. Make us alive, make us alive. Do you understand? We are dying. And please make your lotus feet appear here. Do you know? This is the meaning of this song. Mahaprabhu sang this song and dragged chariot. This is Rathayatra. Dragging Krishna from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan, Nilachala to Sundarachala. You understand? Mahaprabhu has expressed this thing. This is the mystery behind Rathayatra. Always dragging Krishna from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. So there is no Rathayatra in Vrindavan, because they are in Vrindavan. Krishna is always in Vrindavan. Where to drag? Do you understand? So Rathayatra will perform in all places but Vrindavan. Do you understand? And Guru Maharaj introduced it. You may any day Rathayatra, because any day you drag Krishna from Nilachala to Sundarachala, from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Do it every day. This is why he did it. It's every day's affair. Every day we drag it. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Leave Kurukshetra, chalo Vrindavan. Every day. That is the mystery behind it. So he did it. We give this answer to these people. We face this question here. You may not be facing this question in West, but we face this question here. And this is the answer Mahaprabhu has given. And he followed completely Mahaprabhu's path. My Guru Maharaj, so he did it. This mystery. Do you understand? What is Ratha Yatra? And well, this mode is so drag chariot. Otherwise, what is that? It will never please Jagannath. Never pleasing at all. Unless this mood is there, attitude is there, bhav is there. It is the most important. This is Ratha Yatra. This is what you see. And Padma Purana says, Skanda Purana says, the Purana it is said, Asadasya Dityang Ratham Kurjyad Visasata Asad Sukla Ekadasya Japa Homa Mahostavam Rathastitam Vedantam Ta Mahadevi Mahostavi Je Pasyanti Muda Bhaktya Va Swasti Sang Hare Pade Satyam Satyam Punah Satyam Pratigyata Nijattamaha Natasreya Pado Vishnu Ruschava Sastra Sammataha. Padma Purana says. Vishnu Dharma says, our Shastra say about this Ratha Yatra. This Asadasya Dityang, I said this in month of Asada, second day of bright fortnight, with Pusya Nakshatra, this Tithi, Ratha Yatra should be there, and those will do, they will chant Hare Krishna, Vishnu Nam, Krishna Nam, they will perform some Jagya, they'll chant more, Japa, Homa, Jagya, Mahotsav, great festivity. Rathastitam Vedanta Mahadevi Mahostavi Je Pasyanti. Those who see in chariot Ratha, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, Devi, they understand, they are very dear to their devotees. The devotees, those who see, offer this prayer. Then Lord Krishna, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, they are very pleased. And this Padma Satyam, Satyam, Punah Satyam Pratigyata, 3 times he says, I say this truth. 3 times I say this thing. This is Sastric. And one who sees Ratha in this day, drags Ratha, performs Ratha Yatra as a festivity. Do you understand? You will never be born here again in this material world. Rathetu Vamanam Društva Punarjanma na vidyate, it is said. Rathetu Vamanam Društva Punarjanma na vidyate. So if someone sees Vamanam, it's Lord Vishnu. You understand? Jagannath and Ratha, with this mood, with bhav of a prayer like this, and performs this jatra, of the festivity, he will never be born here again. No rebirth. He will go back home, back to Godhead. All right. This is it. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Bhagami Bhavatumi. That is Jagannath Astaka. Mahaprabhu has uttered that thing. Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatumi. But Jagannath Swami, please show me your Shyam Sundar form to me. Let it appear on before my eyes. That form. Kalindi Tata Vipine Kada. That in the banks of Jamuna you are playing with the gopis. In what form? That form, please manifest. That is Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami. Yes. Jagannath Swami, this is Jagannath Astaka, Kalindi Tata Vipine Kada. Amudabhiri. That Jagannath Astaka. Mahaprabhu has sung it. And when Mahaprabhu entered into Jagannath temple, first time taking a sannyas, last, and Lord Jagannath showed his beautiful Shyama Sundar form to him, because he is Radha Bhav. He is Radha's. Radha was hankering. Radharani is always hankering after that form. And Jagannath showed that form. If you can develop that bhav, Radha, then Lord Jagannath will show you that form to you. Otherwise, how can you see that form? Lord Jagannath will never show you such form. Yes. Those are developed such bhav. Jagannath shows that form to them. Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagan. That is. It's Mahaprabhu's teachings. Mahaprabhu is Jagannath himself. He has taught us. What is this Rasayatra? What is tattva behind it? And how you can do it, perform it. What are teaching? What bhav? That will please Jagannath. Please. Otherwise, how will it be? You cannot please without this mood, this bhav. If you do, no. It's all the festival, yes. Dancing, chanting, festivity, eating. Dancing, chanting, eating. All may be there, but no pleasure for Jagannath. Jagannath should be pleased. Yes. It may be your pleasure, not pleasure for Jagannath. We want Jagannath's pleasure, not our pleasure. Yes.
So Guru Maharaj, what about the
Mm.
yesterday we had Rath Yatra
Mm.
and all of the people they were in a passionate mood to pull the carts and they were having some fun. What benediction is there for them if they're not in that bhav mood?
They get this, they may go to Vaikuntha. Yes. Not to Vrindavan. Golok Vrindavan. Opulence. Jagannath manifests opulent form. Jagannath means Dwarka is king in Dwarka. Dwarkadhish is king. You understand? Is opulence. Is Vaikuntha. This bhav, Mahaprabhu has said and developed. This bhav of gopis, Radharani's. That bhav, drag across, chant in that bhav. In that mood and drag of Jagannath's chariot. Jagannath is pleased. Then we'll go to Golok Vrindavan. Yes. That's Priti. I said that is Priti. That's love. That's Aikantika, Nishtha. Yes, we want to see this form. We don't want to see other form, your royal dress or king form. Give up this form, come to Vrindavan. Then we'll dress you in cowherd boy form, then we'll dance there. We are there. Kadangaba Kanan is there. Jamuna river is there. Kundas are there. Trees are there. Horses are there. Peacocks are there. Cows are there. Calves are there. We are all there, but you are not there. Come, chalo. That is Mahaprabhu said. And dragged in that way. From Sundara, Nilachala to Sundarachala. Yes, this is a Radha. This is a Radha. There's a mystery, tattva behind the Radha. Therefore, my revered spiritual masters, Sri Prabhupada and Acharya of ISKCON said, do any day you want Rasayatra. Yes, drag any day. Filling packs of Sivasana, drag Krishna to Vrindavan. Give up Mathura. Dwarka, come Vrindavan. Yes. So any day. Not in fixed day, any day. Yes.
So that mood should be there.
Yes. I speak this thing, I spoke this thing in Gita Nagari. And when I speak this thing, they said, why? Why Prabhupada did so? They hated. I said, we face this question there in Orissa. You may not be facing, but we face. This is the answer. This is the answer. And then Ravindra Sura, yes. Why not every day? Well, yes, do every day. He says, yes, do every day. Oh, yes, every day. Then,
So it seems Guru Maharaj said in the scriptures there's many, not restrictions, but everything has to be done according to this way, that way, that way. But it seems that when one's on the platform of just pure love,
he breaks all these rules, regulations. That gopis broke all this thing. All Veda Dharma, Veda Marjada. They are housewives. But They become prostitutes like this. Huh? And they are criticized. All criticize them. Oh, these housewives, they are dead of night running to Vrindavan. Huh? Jungle of Vrindavan to that Lampata, that devotee Krishna. They broke everything because it's pure love. Only attraction. Our attraction is only Krishna, nobody else. Chalo! Chalo! Kick up everything. Chalo! They broke all Vedic regulations. Sarva dharman paritejya. That is what. Give up all varieties of dharma. This is Veda dharma. Give up Veda dharma. Chalo, brother.
But we can't do that until we develop love.
Now, you cannot imitate.
Jai, Patitava. Jai, Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai.